In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all columns the same width in Google Sheets. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the details to execute it seamlessly. First, let's begin by selecting all the columns in your Google Sheets document. Starting with the basics, you have a couple of methods to choose from, based on what feels more comfortable for you. One way to accomplish this is by clicking and dragging your mouse across the grid to highlight all the cells. Simply place your cursor at the beginning of the first column and then, while holding down your mouse button, drag it across to the end. This will help you select everything at once. If you prefer using your keyboard for navigation, there's an alternative method. Click on the header of the very first column, and with that selected, press and hold the Shift key. While keeping it pressed, use the right arrow key to extend your selection all the way across to capture all the columns you need. This is straightforward, but it's a handy tip to speed things up. With your columns now selected, it's time to resize them to your desired width. Move your cursor over any one of the selected column headers and right-click to open the context menu. From here, you'll see an option labeled Resize Columns. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done this, a small window should pop up, giving you the opportunity to set a specific width for your columns in terms of pixels. It's important to have a uniform appearance, so decide on a number that fits the content you have or expect to have in these columns. Enter the desired width in the box provided. This could be something like 100 pixels, but it entirely depends on your preference and needs. The system allows for flexibility, so feel free to adjust as you deem fit. After entering your chosen pixel width, the next step is almost too easy. Simply click the OK button in the pop-up window to apply the changes. Voila! Just like that, all your columns in the sheet have been resized uniformly to the width you specified. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your document, but also ensures consistency and professionalism in presentation. Especially crucial for those polished reports or structured data analyses. Remember, these steps are not just limited to individual sheets. Whenever you're working with multiple sheets within the same document or across different files, you can apply the same technique to maintain consistency. This skill is particularly beneficial when collaborating with others, as it provides a clear and organized appearance that everyone can appreciate. So there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to adjust column widths efficiently in Google Sheets, ensuring a tidy and organized layout every time.